This is where it started. Not with a vision, but with a question. Could I even do this? First model, basic as it is, represents the moment I decided to try. It was clumsy, full of hidden geometry errors, and took me days to finish. But it was mine. The early days were a cycle of frustration and small victories. Hours spent wrestling with topology, learning the Blender hotkeys, and constantly hitting undo. I wasn't trying to be perfect. I was just trying to be done. After months of repetition, the tools finally started to feel like extensions of my hands. I realized low poly isn't about less detail. It's about smarter detail. It's about capturing the essence of the machine with the fewest vertices possible. The next year was about exploration, trying out different lighting setups, mastering the shader editor, and learning how to truly make these digital objects look tangible. A race car, a vintage classic, a heavy-duty truck. Each project brought a new challenge, a new skill to master. The time spent on each model dropped dramatically, but the quality kept rising. It's funny how a few years ago, I couldn't even bevel an edge correctly. It's no longer about whether I can do it, but what story I want the next model to tell. Two years, hundreds of hours, and thousands of vertices later. This journey has taught me more than just 3D modeling. It's taught me the value of showing up every day and the power of consistent, incremental growth. If you're just starting your own creative journey, remember this. Every masterpiece was once a beginner's struggle. Just keep making the next one. Let me know which car was your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching.